Hello students, welcome back to our English class. We were going through our second unit now, yes, Bonds of Love, in which the first lesson maternity and the second lesson Song of a Dream are completed. Now we are going to see the third lesson Tolstoy Farm written by Mahatma Gandhiji. This is an extract from Gandhiji's autobiography, The Story of My Experience with Truth. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869 at Porbandar, India. Died on January 30th, 1948 at Delhi. Indian lawyer, politician, social activist and writer who became the leader of the nationalist movement against the British rule of India. As such, he came to be considered the father of his country. Gandhiji is internationally esteemed for his doctrine of non-violence protest, that is satyagraha, to achieve political and social progress. In the eyes of millions of his fellow Indians, Gandhi was the Mahatma, great soul, the unthinking adoration of his huge crowds that gathered to see him all along the routes of his tours made them a severe ordeal. He could hardly work during the day or rest at night. The woes of Mahatmas he wrote are known only to the Mahatmas. His fame spread worldwide during his lifetime and only increased after his death. The name Mahatma Gandhi is now one of the most universally recognized on earth. As Indians, we don't want any explanation about Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi because we are familiar with our Mahatma, who is the father of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi was a man who gave his whole life to the nation. No doubt people refer to him as the father of the nation. His empathy for the poor and lower caste people is absolutely unparalleled. This great man continues to command respect not only in India but all over the world. He was a huge advocate of non-violence. In fact, we can safely say that he was the originator of the principle of non-violence. Already we are having a clear picture of our father of our nation. If you want to learn more about Gandhi's idea regarding non-violence, ahimsa, then you can refer to his famous autobiography, The Story of My Experience with Truth. So here in our third lesson, Tolstoy Farm is an extract from Gandhiji's autobiography, The Story of My Experience with Truth, where he describes his life with the inmate of Tolstoy's farm. Tolstoy Farm was a community of Indians and the first ashram initiated and organized by Mahatma Gandhi at Transvaal, South Africa in 1910. It has been the headquarters of the campaign of Satyagraha, that is non-violence. The farm, 21 miles away from Johannesburg, has been brought by Herman Kallenbach, one of the Gandhiji's supporters. Both Kallenbach and Gandhiji were highly impressed by Tolstoy's writing. So they decided to name the farm after Tolstoy. The inmates of the farm were schooled by Gandhiji himself. So these were the members of the Tolstoy farm in 1910. Gandhiji is sitting in the middle of the second row, that is fifth from the right. Herman Kallenbach, a supporter of Gandhiji, allowed Gandhiji and 70 to 80 other people to live there as long as their local movement was in effect. Kallenbach suggested the name for the community, which soon constructed 3 new buildings to serve as living quarters, workshops and a school. Now, let's summarize the lesson Tolstoy Farm. There were Hindu, Muslim, Parsi, Christian boys and some Hindu girls. It was not possible to engage special teachers owing to lack of money. As Gandhi did not believe in the existing system of education, he thought of finding out a true system. He believed that true education could be imparted only by parents. So he occupied the place of the father and shouldered the responsibility for the training of the young. But there were practical difficulties, as the children belonged to different religion and had been brought up in different conditions and environment. As Gandhiji gave the first place to the culture of the heart or the building of the character, he decided to live with them 24 hours of a day as a father. He considered character building as a proper foundation of the education With the help of Mr. Kalaimbach and Sergeant Pragji Desai, Gandhi started literary training to the students. They got building up of their body in the course of their daily routine. All the work from cooking to scavenging was done by the inmates. Those who were not engaged in the kitchen had to do gardening. The children had the lion's share of his work, which includes digging pits, filling timbers, and lifting loads. This gave them ample exercise. They took delight in the work, though some of them sometimes malingered and shirked. However, there was scarcely any illness in the farm. As part of vocational training, Gandhiji gave some useful manual vocations such as shoemaking and carpentry. Almost all the youngsters knew cooking. All these was new to them. The only training that they received in South Africa was in the 3 R's. A teacher was always there to cooperate with them, and so they learned cheerfully. So I hope you got an idea about the lesson, Tolstoy farm. So now read the lesson thoroughly for 2 to 3 times. We will go through the text in detail in the next class. Okay? See you.